This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in a gated community. Beautiful lake views. Split floor plan. Updated kitchen cabinets and countertops. Newer appliances. Laminate and ceramic tile flooring. Washer and dryer in the unit. Walk-in closet. Screened-in patio and additional storage. Monthly rent includes water/sewer/trash/table/TV/internet/pest control/on-site manager/security guard. Community's amenities includes gym/fitness room, clubhouse, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball, picnic/barbecue and car wash areas. For more information, review the details below.